friends, welcome to the subject Engineering Mechanics. This is the syllabus of Solapur University Syllabus. We'll discuss about the examination pattern. So, in this university, we have theory for this subject and semester examination for 70 marks. Internal semester examinations are there. So, based on internal exams, we give 30 marks and internal continuous assessment is there. It is for a 25 marks. We have 3 hours per week plan for theory and laboratory 2 hours per week. Friends, what is the objective behind the learning this subject engineering mechanics? So, course objective, first objective is to impart knowledge of basic phenomena in engineering mechanics and to lay a foundation for its engineering applications by studying statics and dynamics. Friends, in this subject we have two parts, one is static and one is dynamic. So first section is based on statics, second is based on dynamics. By learning both sections we can complete this objective. Second, to develop scientific approach among the student towards analysis and design of various structural element. See, for the students of mechanical engineering, civil engineering, for second year, third year, final year of their BTech, BE, the knowledge of this mechanics, engineering mechanics is very essential because these students are going to learn subject based on analysis and design. So structural subjects are there. Now to appear for those subjects, the basic knowledge of mechanics is very important. So this is the second objective. Third, to enable problem solving abilities and inculcate experimental, observational and investigatory skills among the learners. So this is our third objective. And fourth one, to prepare the student for higher level course in the analysis and the design of engineering structures. So these are the four objectives. Whereas at the end of this subject, after learning all the contents, what we are going to learn, that is course outcomes. By learning this subject, first outcome we'll get, we can apply the fundamentals of engineering mechanics for analyzing effects of system forces acting on a rigid body. Analyze the various types of statically determined beam jointed trusses by analytical and graphical methods. Third, we are able to locate centroid and center of gravity. Also, we are able to calculate the MI, moment of inertia of plane laminals. We can apply the knowledge of kinematics and kinetics of rigid body motion to solve problems of bodies in motion, and we can use the work energy methods for analyzing linear and rotational motions. These are the outcomes that we can gain after learning this subject. Let us move ahead for the first section of the syllabus. So this is section first. The unit number 1 that we are going to learn is resultant of coplanar forces. In this subject, we'll learn various basic terminologies, various basics of force, what do you mean by force, then transmissibility of force, moment of force, couple, moment of couple, all those things that we are going to learn in this subject. Also, we learn a composition of coplanar, concurrent, non-concurrent forces, their analytical methods here. So, the topic, we have 5 hours duration, and based on this topic, we have final questions about 10 marks for a 10 marks. So in this chapter we are going to learn various definitions, explanations, and we are going to solve numerical examples also. Second unit is equilibrium of rigid body. So hours allotted is 7 and the marks based on this topic will be 16. Here also we have various definitions, explanations, derivations and numerical examples also. But in this topic what we are going to focus is on base equilibrium of rigid bodies. When we are talking about the equilibrium, so support come in the pictures, that is also we are going to learn in this topic. So here you will find the different types of support. Then to find the equilibrium, various methods are there, various theorems are there. One of that is Lami's theorem that we are going to learn. Now equilibrium can be determined for the different bodies with friction, without friction. So those topics also will come in the picture. In this unit number 2, we are going to learn the principles of virtual work. Introduction part is there. So mostly on this bit, definition is asked